We have some breaking news coming in. BJP 6th list out. Former J&K Deputy Chief Minister Kavinder Gupta dropped. Kavinder Gupta has been replaced by Vikram Randhawa, senior BJP leader and former Jammu and Kashmir Deputy Chief Minister. Kavinder Gupta, who last time won from Gandhinagar Assembly seat, has been dropped. The boundaries of Gandhinagar seat have been changed after delimitation. The seat is now known as Bahu. Kavinder Gupta has been replaced by Vikram Randhawa. That's the latest breaking news. We're getting BJP's 6th list is out. Former Jammu and Kashmir Deputy Chief Minister Kavinder Gupta has been dropped. Kavinder Gupta has been replaced by Vikram Randhawa, senior BJP leader and former Jammu and Kashmir Deputy Chief Minister Kavinder Gupta, who last time won from Gandhinagar Assembly seat, has been dropped. The boundaries of Gandhinagar seat have been changed after delimitation. The seat is now known as Bahu. Kavinder Gupta has been replaced by Vikram Randhawa. That's the latest breaking news we're getting. BJP's 6th list is now out and the BJP seems to have dropped former Jammu and Kashmir Deputy Chief Minister Kavinder Gupta from the list and he has now been replaced by Vikram Randhawa. Kavinder Gupta, who was senior BJP leader and former Jammu and Kashmir Deputy Chief Minister, had last time won from Gandhinagar Assembly seat and now has been dropped. The boundaries of Gandhinagar seat have been changed after delimitation. The seat is now known as Bahu. And we have information that Kavinder Gupta has been replaced by Vikram Randhawa. We have Sunil Ji Bhatt joining us on the phone line for more on this. Sunil, Kavinder Gupta has been dropped from the BJP 6th list and he's now been replaced by Vikram Randhawa. Can you give us a reason? Do we have any details of the reason behind him being dropped?
Well, Chetna, as far as BJP's latest list is concerned, the big name that is missing from this list is former Deputy Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Kavinder Gupta. Remember, the BJP had not, announced its candidate for Bahu Assembly seat so far. Kavinder Gupta was still hopeful that he would be accommodated, but the party has decided to drop him and instead of him, Vikram Randhawa has been given ticket. Although this particular seat, Bahu Assembly seat, was earlier known as Gandhinagar, but the boundaries of Gandhinagar Assembly seat have been changed post delimitation and now the news that is coming in that Kavinder Gupta has been dropped. Instead of him, Vikram Randhawa has got ticket. Vikram Randhawa is a former member of Legislative Council. And it's not just, Kavinder Gupta who has been dropped by the BJP. There are other big names also who are missing from the earlier list. Like Dr. Nirmal Singh. He is also a former Deputy Chief Minister. He has also served as the Speaker of Jammu and Kashmir Assembly. So he was dropped from Bilawar Assembly seat. And the idea behind the BJP's decision to drop senior leaders is to bring in, fresh faces. That's what our sources in, BJP are telling us. So even before the electioneering had begun, the BJP sources had said that this time they are going to replace their, many senior leaders by younger faces and by other leaders. So there is a strategy in place, although there is infighting within the BJP also. In the recent past, we have seen that how, many workers of the BJP were unhappy with ticket allocation. But the party, is working on a strategy and the aim, that's what our sources are telling us, that the BJP's aim is to win at least 35 seats out of 40.
Right, Sunil, keep tracking that story. We'll come back to you for more on this. It's a big breaking news coming. Kavinder Gupta has been dropped from the 6th list of the BJP and he's been replaced by Vikram Randhawa.